Good afternoon, students. In previous chemistry class, you were asked to solve a puzzle in which two questions were asked. One question was that which one is most symmetric unit cell? Which one is most symmetric unit cell? The answer of this question is simple cubic unit cell is called most symmetric unit cell. And why it is most symmetric? Because all the edges of this unit cell are equal. All the edges of this unit cell are equal, and all the angles are also equal, and the angle is 90 degree. So simple cubic unit cell is most symmetric unit cell which have all the edges equal and all the angles are also equal, and that is 90 degree. Triclinic. The most unsymmetric unit cell is triclinic unit cell. The most unsymmetric unit cell is triclinic unit cell. Why it is most unsymmetric? Because all the edges are not equal. All the edges are not equal and all the angles are also not equal. So most unsymmetric unit cell is triclinic unit cell. Why it is most unsymmetric? Because all the edges are not equal and all the angles are also not equal. Now we will going to discuss about the most important topic of this chapter, that is calculation of unit cell dimensions. Calculation of unit cell dimensions, in which we will talk about density of unit cell. Now see this diagram which explains a cubic unit cell. Now you must know that if you see anywhere this word SCP, it means that we are talking about FCC, face centered unit cell. SCP refers to FCC and CCP refers to simple cubic unit cell. You know very well that face centered unit cell contains 4 particles, BCC, body centered unit cell, contains 2 particles, and simple cubic unit cell contains only 1 particle as a whole. Now if edge length of a unit cell is A, then volume of cubic unit cell is A cube. Now we will calculate the density of unit cell. Let edge length of unit cell is A. Suppose the edge length of unit cell is A and the density of unit cell is D. Molar mass of unit cell is M. Molar mass refers to mass of particles equal to Avogadro number. If molar mass is divided by Avogadro number, then we get mass of 1 atom or 1 particle. If molar mass is divided by Avogadro number, then we can get mass of 1 atom or particle. Now if mass of 1 particle is small m, and total number of particles in unit cell is Z, then total mass of unit cell will be Z into M. And we know that density is calculated as mass by volume. Now volume of cubic unit cell can be given as A cube. And the total mass of unit cell is Z into M. So we place the value of mass here, Z into M. And we know that volume of unit cell is A cube. Now we have studied that if molar mass is divided by Avogadro number, then we get mass of 1 atom or 1 particle. So if molar mass is M and Na is Avogadro number. If we divide molar mass with Avogadro number, then we will get mass of one particle. So here the m is replaced by m upon Na, where m is molar mass and Na is Avogadro number. Now we get the formula D equal to Z into m A cube Na, where D is density, m is molar mass, volume is A cube, and Na is Avogadro number. This is an important topic which you have to read very carefully, because in previous years a numerical is frequently asked based on this formula. So you must mug up this formula. Thank you.